Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet P1505 printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. Here type HP LaserJet P1505 printer driver download and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link. Here we find our HP printer website. Here we find our printer name and it's detect our operating system at here. It's not detect our operating system Windows 11. Then go to there, choose a different OS. Here select Windows and go to the version. In version, don't select Windows 11 because Windows 11 has a not contain basic drivers and we need basic drivers to download and install Windows our printer on Windows 11. So I go to the Windows 10 64-bit. Always go with the Windows 10 64-bit or any 64-bit version. Click at here and click on the update and your drivers are available on this page now. On these 3 or 4 links, search for the basic drivers. Basically, this is in last link. Click at here, expand this driver product installation software. Expand this. Here we find basic drivers, expand basic drivers. Here we find our drivers. This is our printer drivers. This is a series of this printer driver. This is the size of our drivers, very low size. And here we find download. When we click on the download, it's redirect to another page. And in few seconds, our download is complete. I click on download and our download is completed in a few seconds. Click at here, downloads, show in a folder and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. This is our setup file, printer setup file. This printer setup file actually a zip file. Right click on it. Click on the show more options. Click on the extract files. Click on the OK. Here we find our printer folder. Double click on our printer folder and here is our basic printers drivers. And close this. And we are going to install these drivers manually. That is very easy, simple and best process for the Windows 11. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top, we find add a device, click on add a device. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find add a manually. New option is pop up, click on add manually. Close it. Here we find menu option, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, select last option, click on the next. Port is the most IMP part, click at here. And if you find .4_001 HP printer device or anything about HP, then select it. If you not find any HP port, then next option is USB, select any USB port, USB 001, 002, 003, 004, select any USB port, click on the next. Here click on the headings. Click on the browse, go to the desktop. On desktop, select our newly created folder, double click on it. Here you find one single file, select that single file, click on the open, click on the OK. Here we find many printers, select our printer name HP P1505, select our HP LaserJet P1505, click on the next. Here we find our printer name. You can give any printer name that you want. I go with the same printer name, click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's install our printer. It's like less than a few seconds. If you want to share this printer on network, then select last option. I don't want, so I click on do not share this printer. First option and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on the finish. Now we check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners once again. Click on the printers and scanners. And here, if you find HP LaserJet P1505, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.